she shot? Where's she shot?
We know who did this? Did they leave? Female took the kids?
Hey, my man, you gotta get on the other side of the thing.
What happened to her? What do you mean she was shot?
Hold on a second.
Remove!
Let her
She gotta explain it to you, man.
Rogers tells first responders she met the suspect, Kathleen Daniels, on a mommy's group online. Soon, investigators begin the search for the boys, 6-week-old Mateo and Lorenzo.
What do we care about?
Well, the victim.
Finding the children.
Correct.
The victim is here is being treated. We care about finding the kids.
All right, well, let's go then.
Meanwhile, Rogers is loaded into an ambulance before she's rushed to the hospital. Soon, investigators realize the name Kathleen Daniels is actually an alias, and they're really searching for Angela Montgomery. When police arrive at Montgomery's home, they meet up with her mother, who tells them the babies are Angela's.
Y'all know whose babies those were?
My daughters.
What's your daughter's name?
Angela.
Those are Angela's babies? Are you sure?
Yeah.
You sure Angela didn't lose her babies? She never told you? Okay. But you think those are Angela's babies?
That's what she said.
Is that the first time you've seen those babies?
Yes.
It's at the Montgomery home where Savannah police finally rescue the twin boys several hours after they were kidnapped.
You got the baby?
Back seat, front seat.
You are.
Taking a march in and walk off your car.
Do your thing.
Who's that? You recognize her? Who's that? Say it again. Kathleen?
The same day, Montgomery is questioned by police. She explains she had a miscarriage and planned to break the news to her fiancé that morning.
I woke up this morning with plans to tell my fiance that I'm not, that I miscarried.
Okay.
Who's your fiance?
Do I have to say the names? I'm sorry.
We
just make sure it's the same guy.
Okay, yeah. That's when my day started.
But soon her story goes off the rails as Montgomery mentions her fraternal twin sister, Destiny. She implies Destiny may be responsible for the shooting.
I swear on everything I love, I got a call. You can check my phone if you have it. It was from Destiny, and her name's
Destiny?
Her name on her driver's license reads Destiny Scott 2598. She's a New York driver's license,
Okay.
and I don't know the numbers.
What?
I got a call telling me to come to Gabby's address, and I did. By the time I showed up there, I promise I just drove off. I didn't even, I was driving my sedan this morning. I saw everything that was on the thing, and I knew for a fact I'm not opposed to, I knew whose kids came into the house. The first time I ever saw those kids this morning was at the St. Joseph's. That's where I saw them. Now, did my gut tell me that it was Gabby's kid and Gabby probably didn't just let this go? Maybe. At least I don't know what I thought. But I didn't ask any questions, and I said, what do you want me to do?
Days later, investigators get a clearer picture of the attack when Rogers herself explains what led up to the shooting.
She came behind me with a phone charger cord, and wrapped it around my throat. It was trying to choke me with it. But I had used my hands and kind of pushed her back and got out from under it. And then I was running, and I heard a pop. I was trying to get to the boys, but the door was closed, and I was like, I need to go get help. And then I heard another pop, and I fell, and then I got up, ran to the neighbors, banged on their door. They didn't answer, so I remember running across the street, falling, knocking on that door. And then that's really all I can really remember. She just kept saying she was upset because she couldn't find her phone. And then she kept saying, I'm taking the boys. And I was like, what? No, you're not. You're taking my kids. She was like, they're not yours. And I was like, they are mine. I just was so confused.
And this was before or after the
This
charger?
is during her
okay.
trying to choke me with the charger cord.
You're doing great. You're doing fantastic. This is an uncomfortable memory.
And I just was trying to get somebody to help. I didn't even know she had shot me. I was just running to get help. And then I remember falling onto the neighbor's doorstep. And then I see my sister running out of the house. And I'm like, the boys, she took my boys.
Rogers even explained she'd been friends with Montgomery for months ahead of the shooting.
We've been talking for a couple months. We've actually had a couple meetups, which baffled me that this even happened because I never saw the signs. We even went to the park and had a picnic with her and her baby.
And that was the Thursday before the attack. But she's been in the house a couple before that?
Yeah, she's come over She dropped some stuff off for me when I was pregnant with the boy still in the hospital. She came and brought some stuff to the hospital for me. She's just been really good support, and I just was so confused on what was going on. And
In the end, first responders praise Rogers for her ability to react and protect her sons.
That's some serious mama bear energy. For you to be able to run, because you ran over to the neighbors next to you in the brick house, and then you ran across the street, 13, 14, 12, 14, right across the street. You were able to, now you've been shot 3 times, and you were able to tell them, not basically, what you told them what happened. And then you were able to tell your sister, and then your sister was able to tell us. Because of that, we could figure it out. And so that was remarkable.
I'm glad my boys are safe. I just wanted to make sure they were okay.
Last month, Montgomery pleaded guilty to charges of aggravated assault and kidnapping. Her attorney also noted she's suffering from mental illness. In all, she was sentenced to 70 years.